Hey guys, it's Adam. We're out here with one of our brand new 2025 VelociRaptor 600. This unit just got wrapped up in production. It's been equipped with our complete package here, including the 6-piston Brembo brakes, the big wheels, big tires. The iconic VelociRaptor bumpers, LED lights, the works on this truck. If this is something that you want to put in your garage, give us a call today before somebody else does.
Hennessey's awesome, and tuner school is awesome.